a dream, so unlike what you've seen, so mature but it seems. Cause we've been waiting for you, rolling into this place, just giving you a small taste of your afterlife here, so stay. You'll be back as soon anyway. I see a